Hi guys. Okay, I'm here with your foundations lesson. We are going to learn 2 new sight words today. So I'm going to go through this kind of fast because I have to fit 2 words in and the sentences that they will go in that you guys will practice reading. So our first trick word that we're learning today is the word was. This is the word was. Can you say this word with me? Was. Let's spell it. W-A-S, was. We use this word when we're talking about the past, and usually we use this word with when we say I or he or she or it. But this is a past tense verb, something we did or something that happened in the past. If I were to use this word in a sentence, I would say he was working really hard on his work. So it means that in the past he was working hard. Okay, so it is a past tense verb. This is the word was. I am going to put this word into a fluency sentence. Here's the problem, guys. I forgot my sentence frames at home. So I'm just going to use a whiteboard and I'm going to make lines instead of sentence frames. But that's okay. Okay, the sentence I'm going to write is, Meg was the first one to fall. Okay, so Meg was the first one to fall. Alrighty, so I'm going to read the sentence and then you're going to tell me to stop when you hear me say the sight word was, and then I will circle that line, okay? Meg was. There it is, so I'm going to circle it because that's where my trick word is going to go. Meg was the first one to fall. Okay, now I'm going to write the words on the line. I'm not going to forget I have to use an uppercase letter for that first word, Meg. And I'm going to pause real quick so you don't have to watch me write. Okay, so I have my words on the line. Remember, every time we write a sentence, the first word in the sentence gets an uppercase letter, and your sentence must end with a punctuation mark. Meg was the first one to fall. Can you say the words with me? Meg was the first one to fall. I'm going to put my fluency sweeps in. And we're going to do this. Oops. Okay. So we're going to read it like this. Meg was the first one to fall. Can you read that with me? Meg was the first one to fall. Meg was the first one to fall. Read it on your own. Good job. Okay, now it's time for the second sight word we're going to learn today. I'm going to erase this. Alrighty. Our next trick word that we're learning is the word one. Can you say this word for me? One. O-N-E, one. Let's spell it together. O-N-E, one. This trick word means the number 1. So this is the number word for the number 1. This word is important because you see this word a lot in math, especially in our story problems. So this is the word 1. Okay, if I were to use this in a sentence, I might say, I only have 1 pet dog. Okay, this word means the number 1. Alrighty, I'm going to put it into a fluency sentence. The sentence is going to say, oh, well, I'm just going to use the same sentence. That's what the book is telling me. Meg was the first one to fall. Okay, so Meg was the first one to fall. Okay, again, so I'm going to say the words, tell me when to stop. This time you're going to tell me when to stop when you hear the word was and the word one. Meg was the first one, 2 trick words, to fall. Okay, I'm going to write the words on my lines. Okay, now I have the words on the lines. Let's read the words one at a time. Meg was the first one to fall. Now I'm going to put my fluency sweeps in, and I'll just do the same ones since it's the same sentence. Let's read it fluently. Meg was the first one to fall. Can you read it with me? Meg was the first one to fall. Good job. Okay, your assignment today is you are going to be practicing writing the words was and one, and then you are going to practice finding the words and reading them in a sentence. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in reading.